Hello dear students and welcome back. In today's video we'll be talking about port states. Now you notice here when we do a port scan we get this table, and this table have port state service version. Now the state here tells us that this port is open, right? So what does open mean, and is there any other states? Actually there are 6 other states, and if we go to the Nmap website here to the documentation port scanning basics, you will see that the 6 port states recognized by Nmap. Now the first one is open. Now what does open mean? Open means that there's an application actively accepting TCP, UDP and SCTP on that port. A closed port is a port that is accessible. It receives and responds to Nmap, but there's no application listening on it. For example, there's no HTTP application listening, right? Now filtered means that Nmap cannot determine whether the port is open because packet filtering prevents its probes from reaching the probe. Basically means there's a large possibility, like 99% chance, there's a firewall blocking the probes here. Unfiltered means the port is accessible, but Nmap is unable to determine whether it is open or closed. All right. Open filtered means that Nmap places ports in this state when it is unable to determine whether a port is open or filtered. Closed filtered, Nmap is unable to determine whether the port is closed or filtered. I highly recommend you read through this carefully, all right? And remember what these different state means for Nmap, right? So they are just 6, and you need to remember these 4, and you will just be easy for you to remember the next 2 here.